Fix HP OfficeJet 8015e not printing issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Step 1. Click on the Start menu, search Printers and Scanners, and open it. Step 2. Scroll to the Let Windows manage my default printer option and uncheck it. Step 3. Scroll up, select your printer from available printers, then click on the Manage option. Step 4. Select the Set as the default option. Method 2. Reset your printer. Step 1. Unplug the power cord while the printer is powered on. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Step 3. Remove the power supply adapter's power cord. Step 4. Wait for 60 seconds. Step 5. After 60 seconds, reconnect the power cord for automatic reset. Note: make sure the outlet is on. Method 3. Update printer driver. Step 1. Open the HP support website in your browser. Step 2. Open Software and Drivers, then click on Printers. Step 3. Enter the product name and submit. Step 4. Open driver product installation software, then click Download. Method 4. Cancel all HP printer jobs. Step 1. Double-click the printer icon at the bottom right on the taskbar. Step 2. Right-click on the print job you want to cancel, then select the Cancel option. Step 3. Click Yes to confirm your cancellation. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.